Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can show your inventory quantity on your product page. So the first thing you want to do is go over to the left hand side and you want to tap on online store. Now this will open up your theme page, and here you want to look on the right hand side for the customize button. Once you've clicked on this customize button, you can go up to the top of the page where it says home page, and now you're going to go and select products. Once you've selected products, you will have to select default products, which basically allows you to apply this to all of your products. So over on the left hand side, you can see product information, and there are a bunch of items. Okay, now these items are listed over here on the right hand side, and what you want to do is tap on add block. Over here, you want to look for inventory status and just click on that. Now, as you can see, it's all the way down over here. And on the left-hand side, you can hover your mouse cursor over the actual inventory status. And on the left of that, there's a little block icon. You can click down and you can drag this wherever you'd like. Now, likely you want to put it somewhere near the title and the price. So as you can see here, you can put that there. You can also put it just underneath the price if you'd like. That is pretty helpful. Now, if you actually click on it, you can go ahead and change the text style. So currently it's on body. You can change it to subtitle. As you can see, it's now changed. And you can also change it to the uppercase. All right. And then it also has a low inventory threshold. So it'll only go up to 10. Once it has 9 units in stock, it'll say low inventory. Okay. Or low stock. So you can also then show the actual count, or you can just have it say, if you uncheck this, you can just have it say in stock or out of stock. All right, but we're going to leave this on here. We want to show our inventory stock. On the right hand side, you want to tap on save. You can see that this is what our store looks like. And if we just refresh this page, it is now taken effect. So we've got 20 of these units in stock. If you go over to silver, if you have multiple variations of color or sizes, it'll show those individual stock items over there. If this was helpful, you can go ahead, drop us a like. We will see you in another amazing video. Peace.